Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 4 tips to help you in crypto trading. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make a consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below, so click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. If you want to make more money with Bitcoin these days, your best bet is to sell instead of invest. All you have to do is buy and sell your money to make a small profit after each sale. If you're just starting out, you will have to start from the beginning like everyone else. But then, if you are good at the game, you could make a lot of money in a short amount of time. In this video, I will give you some tips that will help you trade cryptocurrencies successfully. If you want to trade a lot of Bitcoin, you need to think about a lot of important things. It all depends on how smart and experienced you are. Let's get right to some tips that will help you make a lot of money and avoid making common mistakes. The first one is know the dangers. Most sellers make this mistake, which is one of the most common ones. If you don't know what the risks are, you shouldn't keep going with this application. You could lose a lot of money if you don't know what to expect. You might want to take a chance before putting your hard-earned money into an investment. So this is a very important thing to think about. 2, be patient. Money doesn't come from nothing. Everyone who trades in cryptocurrency wants to make money, but you can't make money right away once you've bought the cryptocurrency you want. And there's no guarantee that you will keep making money as you move through your career. So you might want to be ready for something like this to happen. 3, divide your investments. When it comes to trading Bitcoin, we suggest that you spread out your money. This is true for all kinds of investments. In other words, you might make a mistake if you only invest in Bitcoin. You should also be smart about how you invest in different cryptocurrencies. This is important if you want to be on the safe side, cut your losses and turn them into profits. And the 4th one is, do not be greedy. Lastly, it's very important to avoid greed, which is your biggest enemy when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies. Since the price of Bitcoin keeps going up and down, you need to be patient. It's not a good idea to sell your coins right away because you are afraid of changes. So if you don't have patience, you won't be able to be successful in your business as a trader anymore. To make a long story short, here are some helpful tips you can try if you want to be successful at something like trading cryptocurrency. If you are good at the game, you can make a lot of money in a few months or even ways. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. So make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't also forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.